What's up guys, hope you all are doing absolutely great, and in today's video we'll learn how we can get a smooth sharp skin with the help of Adobe Photoshop, but there is a crack that is in one click. So here's the tutorial, here's the video. From now you can also do that in just one click. Alright friends, so now we are at our computer screen and here you can see I have one photo of mine. So we're going to make the change in this photo to get sharp and smooth screen, and I have made a little color adjustment with the help of this camera raw filter. Here's the color adjustment that I just did. Alright, so let's delete the background layer, let's flatten image. Now what you have to do is you have to download a action that I personally made, and this is 100% original filter by me. I created the filter. So go and click on the first link in the description. You'll go to Google Drive, and after that you can download this Smoothie Sharp Plus action. So let's see how you can use this action to get smooth skin effect. So now we're back in Photoshop. Now you need to click on window and click on actions. Here you can see we're at actions. Click on this small toggle at this right side. After that click on load action, and now let's go to documents where I have saved it. Here you can see Smoothie Sharp action. Let's click on open, and now we have the actions. Here you can see EM Act Human, and from this effect panel you need to click on this sharp soft skin, and after that click on this little play button. Wait a little second, and now we are gonna make it go away. And now you need to click on brush, that means B for brush, and paint with white on your skin only, not other place. Brush only and only over your skin, not other parts like your t-shirts or things like that. Just only on your skin. Here you can see I'm doing the same things and adjust it a little less, like 50%, because it's too harsh sometimes. So I'm going to make it 50%, and I'm going to brush with this, and you will be able to see what is going on right now. Wait a little, let's make it a little okayish. Things are looking good. Okay, the nose part is really important. And do you know the best part of this action is you can remove all those dark parts under your eyes. As you can see, I'm removing all the dark parts under my eyes or dark circles, and it is so easy to remove. Here you can see I've already removed most of them. Here is a little, let's remove it, and now we are perfectly ready to go. Let me show you before and after, and you guys will feel like what have I done in 1 second and in one click. Okay, so I'm going to merge both of these layers. Let's merge these both layers, and now here you can see it is my skin, and this is the after, here's the before. This is the after, here's the before, and after before. You cannot get this kind of effect unless you are wasting 10 to 15 minutes or even 1 hour in one photo, because this action is just custom made. It is just amazing. The difference is huge. Here is the before, here's the after, here's the before, and here's the after, and I think you guys will love this. I hope you found this video helpful. If you guys really found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, be sure to press the bell icon, because from now you'll see much more contents on our channel, and that's the reason you should definitely subscribe. Anyway, that was all for this one. Goodbye, until next time. Hey, what's up guys, hope you all are doing absolutely great, and